Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Thursday, and the date is 11th of November, 2021. Okay, we finished this lesson, but we want to revise. Can you tell me what are the lesson vocabularies we learned? What did you learn with me? Who can tell me? I want to write down the vocabulary lesson. Girls who studied with me before, you know that the lesson vocabulary is highlighted in yellow. Is that right?
Yeah, I know, I write it.
Yes, cool, very good. So let's start. What was the first word we learned about? Hi, Amaria, let's start with you.
The first word is community. Wait, no,
Yes.
ecosystem.
Okay, it's fine. Ecosystem.
Then environment. Who's environment?
Fatuma, did
It's
I allow
environment.
you? Fatuma, did I allow you to answer?
No.
Don't jump up, okay? Now,
Okay.
Maria, can you tell me what does it mean, ecosystem? It's fine, ya habibti. What's an ecosystem? Explain to me.
Ecosystem. All of the living and non-living things in an area and their interactions make up an ecosystem.
So the most important keyword to ecosystem is interactions. Why? Because environment is the same thing but without interactions. Now, Fatuma, can you tell me what does it mean environment? Fatuma.
Miss, we write like with you.
You write ecosystem.
Okay.
Fatima, can you hear me, Fatima?
Yes.
So what's an environment?
Environment place that the living thing and non-living thing in one place.
In an area, excellent. Without interaction, excellent. So what is the second word? Huh?
Me?
Yes, ya Fatuma.
The second word is environment.
Is there any environment in your book? Is it there? Is it highlighted in yellow?
No.
So what is the second word highlighted in yellow?
Habitat.
Okay, habitat. What's a habitat, girls? Who can tell me? What is a habitat?
It's me. I know.
Yes, Yadana, what's habitat?
It's like a shelter for like animals. It's like a shelter, like a little like shelter, and it keeps them safe.
Find food and shelter. The place where animal can find food and shelter. Excellent. This is habitat. Okay. Ya hala. Give me another word highlighted in yellow.
Another word is
you can go through your book. Go through your book from the first page.
From what? But from what page?
Habibti, from the whole lesson. We started with ecosystem. See what is next. What's the next word?
Oh, okay. The next word is environment.
Environment?
Yes.
What's an environment?
The environment consists of all the living and non-living things in an area. Look at the.
Thank you, ya hala. So ecosystem and environment can be very similar together. But the one thing is different. Ecosystem must interact together. All right. What after environment? Hiya, Maria, Basam. Hiya, Maria. What did we learn next? Only ecosystem, environment, habitat, or what else? Okay, Lara Mazen, can you tell me? Lara Mazen, are you here? Lara Justiniya, are you here?
Miss, I was talking while I was mute. I thought I was mute.
Okay, fine. So Lara Mazen, tell me what we took next.
We took. I don't want to find one. We took ecosystem.
Okay, ecosystem, environment. What comes next?
Ecosystem. Habitat. No. Community.
Yes, community. What's a community?
Community is a made-up organism live in the same place.
Okay. Community is what again? Explain to me, Lara. What do you understand? What is community?
Community is bigger than population.
Excellent, excellent. So community is different kinds of animals all live together, like a zebra and elephant, ostrich.
What is beside the zebra?
Huh?
Never mind.
Okay.
Like,
What else? We learned
is
about
zebra real life? Never mind.
So we learned about community. What else we learned about? What about the group of animals all live in one place, one group, one type?
Can I say or no?
Yes, of course. If you want to say, of course.
Okay. Nishi.
Okay, I'm asking about group of one type of animal.
I know.
What do they make? Hi, Fatuma. What do they make?
Oh. I know.
Hi, Fatima.
Misty.
You're not Fatima? Who's saying I know?
Dana.
Okay, hi, Dana.
Is it pollution?
Population.
I mean it's.
Excellent.
What about this professor?
Population. After that, not only a habitat and niche. What's a niche? Who can tell me? What's a niche? Maria. What's a niche, Maria?
Oh, wait. Yes. Niche is every organism with yes, and a habitat has a role or niche.
Yes. What do they mean by has a role or a niche? Every animal in their habitat, they have something to do. So they have a role to play. They have a job to do. This we call niche, okay? All right, Habibi. Finally, we divided the living things, all the living things, into 3 groups. Do you remember?
Miss, what about
decomposer? Okay, what are the groups, Lara? You can start. 3 groups.
I mean decomposer.
Decomposers, excellent. What are decomposers? They are living things. All of them are living things. But what are they? A decomposer is what?
It's a living thing.
Okay.
That thing that breaks down waste and the remains of plants and animals for energy.
Excellent. For energy or for food. Very good. So they eat or they
like mold around the strawberries?
Yes, that's right. That's correct. Like mold, bacteria, and what else? Like fungi. Very good. Okay, Habibi. A decomposer is one group. We still have two more groups. Where is Fatima? I want Fatima. Fatuma. Is your mic?
Yes.
Okay. Fatuma, ya Fatuma. All the living things in three groups. We have decomposers and what else? Two more things. We have living things that they make their own food. What do they call them?
Producer.
Excellent. Producers, because they make their own food. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Producer. Okay, there is still one more. Living things that eat other living things. They can be animals eat plants, or animals eat animals, or animals eat both of them, animals and plants. What do we call all these?
Omnivore.
Ah, if a living things eat other living things.
I know.
They can be omnivore, they can be carnivore, they can be herbivore, but what do we call them?
No, we call them.
I can't hear them today. What
Let me see.
what do we call living things who eat other living things?
Miss, a consumer?
Excellent. It's called a consumer. Thank you, Fatima, but I was asking your friend Hala. I need to hear their voices. Okay.
Miss, you didn't ask me. I didn't hear you.
Consumer.
You didn't.
Yes, I'm sorry, ya Hala. I mean Haya.
Oh.
Okay, Habibi. So we learned about ecosystem, habitat and niche, environment, community, population, decomposer, producer, and a consumer. Do you have any question in them?
No. Miss,
Are you
I have
sure?
something.
Okay, Habibi. So let's stop recording so we can watch a video about decomposers, producer, and consumer. Are you ready?
I didn't finish writing.
Okay,
Miss, what
time
is
to write.
this word?
And let's stop recording. Okay, let's say bye-bye to recording now.
Bye-bye. Miss, what is